Now, this illustration deals with lighting outlets at swimming pools. But notice the NEC loops gives a warning. Is the pool indoors or outdoors? If it's outdoors, then we'd need to review 680.22, as in boy 1. If it was indoors, we'd review 680.22, as in boy 2, and we would see figure 10-34A with more information. But here we're highlighting where this pool is inside. And notice a paddle fan has to be at least 7 foot 6 inches from the water level. A hanging fixture, fan or so forth, same thing. And such paddle fan or hanging fixture has to be provided with GFCI protection. Now, notice the luminaires or fans are located in this space, as quoted just previously, should be GFCI protected. Now, figure 11-25 is highlighting the swimming pool when it's located indoors, not outdoors.